Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Binance on PC. First, navigate to the official Binance website using your web browser. Look for the Download section, usually found in the footer or a dedicated menu. Select the desktop application for your operating system, either Windows or Mac OS. Once downloaded, run the installer file and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. After installation, open the Binance desktop application. You'll be prompted to log in with your existing Binance account details. If you don't have one, you can register directly through the app. It's crucial to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for robust security. This adds an extra layer of protection, often using an authenticator app or SMS code, safeguarding your assets from unauthorized access. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout. You can easily search for specific trading pairs, like Bitcoin versus Tether, and view real-time charts. The platform offers various order types, such as limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, and market orders for immediate execution. Managing your portfolio and tracking your trades is straightforward. Beyond basic trading, the Binance desktop app allows you to manage your crypto wallets, deposit, and withdraw funds seamlessly. You can also explore advanced features like staking, where you can earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies or participate in launchpads for new projects. Remember to check the description below for a link to this book and other helpful deals. This comprehensive platform offers many ways to engage with the crypto market.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.